Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, and I talked about this green line specifically at $2 and how important that level was. And then this morning, unfortunately, the price broke down through it, and not shocking at all to see after the price breaking down through there, the price just continued to sink and sink. So the bears took a big chunk out of things, and the price is literally right back to where it all began. And I'll get to that in a second here, but want to make the first update, and that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of bounce back to the upside, $2 is that main level to keep an eye on. So we'll see what happens with that. And then also as the week plays out, watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as the week goes on, eventually that purple line will cross down below the $2 mark. And at that point, it'll take higher priority. But as of right now, because that purple line is still up above the red line, technically speaking, $2 has higher priority. But, probably late day Tuesday, and, surely on Wednesday at some point, it's looking like that price will be crossing down below the $2 mark. And then again, like I said, at that point, the 50-period moving average would have a higher priority. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, this is where the price has, once again, essentially gone back to where it was. And this is why this level down here at $1.88, very, very important. If you go through the history of things, you can see, to give credit where credit's due, so far, $1.88 has done a fantastic job of holding that support. And right there, the price got somewhat close to it. Didn't quite hit it. But point being, a lot of history at $1.88. And that is, certainly a must-hold level, because as you see here, if that level does not hold up, then that is putting the price at lows that have not been seen for literally months upon months. And I'm pretty sure well over a year or two. So $1.88, very, very important there. But as far as this big movement here, that was just a total dead cat bounce, because like I said, the price, when that move started, it was right there. And now you look at where the price is, and it's quite literally right back to where it all began. So I'm not saying another nice move can't ever happen again, but as far as this movement was concerned, yeah, that was just a dead cat bounce. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.